until the 1920s. That's when they had to build this building. Why would they have to build a building for a drinking club in 1927? Prohibition, exactly, right. So they had to build, so this became their entertainment center. They did plays here, they'd have dances here. It became, this rather exclusive club. It still is a rather exclusive apartment building with a steakhouse in the bottom. A lot of ghost pictures we get here. The ghost that's most often photographed is a Mexican soldier. He's floating about 3 feet above the ground in front of these mailboxes over there. He's dressed in the uniform of the Mexican Army about the time of the Alamo, which is what, 1836? So why would a ghost from 1836 be hanging out in a building that didn't exist until 1927? I do not know. Except that perhaps he was killed here. I mean, he's haunting the spot, not necessarily the building. Especially the fact that he seems to be floating. When you see a ghost floating above the ground, it's usually they're standing on something that used to be there, but isn't now. But people get a lot of pictures of the Mexican soldier. Also, ladies in ball gowns, yellow, green, and blue ball gowns also show up in photographs. So what we're going to do is have a photo opportunity. So you take pictures. Now, a few hints for ghost photography. If you're shooting through a window or a glass door, it's best not to use a light or a flash, because chances are if you use a flash, the ghost you're going to get a picture of is going to look a lot like you. 2, get the camera or whatever as close to the glass as possible. And 3, when you're finished taking pictures, move away and then somebody else get a chance. There's a window over here, window here, glass doors over there, and a window over there. When you're finished, we'll meet between the 2 stop signs, and we'll head on the longest part of the walk.